Welcome to the Elite Economizer. Today, we're diving into a realm of business opportunities that you might have never considered. In a world where entrepreneurship is celebrated, we often hear about trendy, high-risk ventures. But what about the surefire opportunities, the ones with a higher probability of success? In this video, we'll unveil 4 unsexy and unheard of businesses that can potentially make you quite wealthy. Before we jump in, please show your support by hitting that like button, and if you're new here, subscribe to the Elite Economizer for more unconventional business wisdom. Startups and their odds. Entrepreneurship is undoubtedly romanticized, but it's important to face the harsh reality. Many startups end up failing, with success rates as low as 1 in 10. Recently, I had the chance to engage with over 100 aspiring entrepreneurs at different events, and I had noticed a common thread. Example number 1: software for agencies. One individual was embarking on a journey to create software for agencies without any prior experiences or background in software development or agency management. Example number 2: NFT influencer marketing. Another person aimed to start a social media marketing agency catering to NFT influencers, despite lacking substantial experience in growing influencer accounts. Example number 3: AI for gyms. A third individual aspired to develop AI solutions for gyms, but they had no relevant expertise in either the fitness or AI industries. Here's the problem: 90% of startups fail. If you're looking to stack the odds in your favor, avoid plunging into uncharted territory without the necessary knowledge, experience, or financial resources. But don't despair. There's a smarter way to start your entrepreneurial journey. Before we unveil these promising yet unsexy businesses, remember to subscribe for more valuable insights. Section number 2: unsexy yet profitable businesses. E-bike rentals. Affordable entry. Our business is e-bike rentals, a venture with a low startup cost, typically around $25,000. Profit margins for this business are impressive, hovering around 60%. Success largely depends on location. Analyze regions with high tourism, a biking culture, and assess public transport accessibility. Tent rentals for sporting events. Easy setup. Moving on to tent rentals for sporting events, you can start this business with just $30,000 to $40,000. Profit margins average around 50%, making it an attractive option. The profitability, however, hinges on factors such as tourism, weather conditions, and pricing strategies. Section number 3: leveraging excess capacity. Excess capacity daycare, affordable childcare. Consider the excess capacity model for daycare services with a startup cost of around $10,000. Profit margins aren't as high, typically ranging from 15% to 25%. Nevertheless, it's a low-risk option. You can utilize existing spaces during off-hours, minimizing overhead. Section 4: funeral services, a sensitive opportunity. Funeral services, high reward with investment. Funeral services might not be the first thing that comes to mind, but it can yield substantial rewards. The startup cost is relatively high, around $170,000. However, profit margins can range from 50% to 70%. Success in this industry is often linked to upselling and downselling, offering additional products and services to families during their time of need. Section number 5: choose wisely for success. Picking the right business. When embarking on your entrepreneurial journey, selecting the right business is paramount. While it's tempting to chase trends and high-risk ventures, consider starting with something proven, stable, and well-suited to your skills. Building confidence. Boring businesses, as they may seem, offer a unique advantage. They build confidence. Starting with a business that's been done before, with a proven product market fit, can provide the assurance you need. Section 6: the power of niche markets. Exploring niche opportunities. While e-bike rentals, tent rentals, daycare, and funeral services are solid choices. There's another avenue worth exploring: niche markets. These businesses often fly under the radar, but they can incredibly lucrative. Niche business example number one: pet services. Consider the pet industry, for instance. It's a market that continues to grow, from pet grooming and pet sitting to specialized products like organic pet food or luxury pet accessories. There's ample room for entrepreneurs to carve their niche. The best part? Pet owners are willing to spend generously on their furry companions. Niche business example number two: home renovation. Another promising niche is home renovation. While it might not sound glamorous, it's a sector that consistently thrives. People are always looking to improve their homes, whether through kitchen remodels, bathroom upgrades, or entire house renovations. If you have expertise in any of these areas, you can find yourself in high demand. Section number 7: the role of passion and knowledge. The passion proficiency balance. Now let's talk about the importance of passion and knowledge in your chosen business. While it's tempting to pursue a business solely for its profit potential, your passion and expertise play a significant role in your long-term success. Passion-driven business. If you're genuinely passionate about a particular industry or activity, it's often reflected in your commitment and determination. Your enthusiasm can be contagious, attracting customers who appreciate your genuine love for what you do. For example, if you're an avid cyclist, starting an e-bike rental business might be a dream come true. Knowledge as a competitive edge. On the other hand, deep knowledge and experience in a field can give you a competitive edge. If you've spent years in a specific industry, you'll likely have insights and skills that newcomers lack. Leveraging your expertise can help you provide exceptional value to customers. Section number 8: embracing unsexy businesses for long-term success. Building a legacy. While the allure of trendy, high-risk startups is undeniable, building a successful business is a marathon, not a sprint. May lack the initial glamour, but they often offer more significant long-term rewards. They can become stable income sources and even build a legacy for future generations. Risk management. One of the key advantages of unsexy businesses is risk management. With lower startup costs and proven models, you're better equipped to weather economic storms. During uncertain times, businesses that offer essential services like funeral services tend to remain resilient. Steady cash flow. Unsexy businesses are more likely to provide a steady cash flow. This consistency allows for better financial planning and reduces the stress associated with volatile income streams common in high-risk ventures. Section 9: balancing passion and profit. The ideal blend. Ideally, you should aim for a balance between your passion and profit potential. While you may not be passionate about tent rentals, for example, if it aligns with your skills and offers a stable income, it's a sensible choice. On the flip side, if you're passionate about a niche market like pet services, you can turn your enthusiasm into a thriving business. Diversifying your portfolio. Consider diversifying your business portfolio. Start with a stable, low-risk venture that provides consistent income. Once you've established a solid financial foundation, you can explore more high-risk, high-reward opportunities, all while benefiting from the knowledge and experience gained. Section 10: the entrepreneurial journey. Embrace the journey. In the world of entrepreneurship, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Your journey may include setbacks, challenges, and even pivots along the way. Embrace these experiences as valuable lessons that will shape your future success. Your path to success. As you embark on your entrepreneurial path, remember that success isn't solely defined by the business you chose, but also by your dedication, adaptability, and continuous learning. Stay open to opportunities, stay true to your passions, and most importantly, stay persistent. Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this information valuable. And for more insightful content on business, entrepreneurship, and financial success, be sure to subscribe to the Elite Economizer. Section 11: the ultimate takeaway. In conclusion, the world of business is vast and diverse, offering opportunities that cater to different skills, passions, and risk appetites. While trendy startups may capture our imagination and sexy businesses often provide a more reliable path to success. Whether you choose e bike rentals, tent rentals, daycare, funeral services, or explore niche markets, remember that your passion, knowledge, and dedication will play pivotal roles in your journey. So, which path will you choose? The world of entrepreneurship is yours to conquer. By making informed decisions, balancing passion and profit, and embracing the opportunities that align with your strengths, you can secure a prosperous future. Thank you for joining us today at the Elite Economizer. If you've been inspired or have any questions, please share your thoughts in the comments section below. We're here to support your entrepreneurial journey every step of the way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more valuable content. Until next time, remember that your success begins with a single step.